I'm out the front of Pod Active headquarters. Now, Pod is recognised as one of the largest knee brace companies for athletes in the world, and it all started right here in Geelong by Jeff Maloney. Jeff comes from a strong motorcycle background, so I thought, why don't we find out a bit more about Jeff and his idea to reduce the risk and severity of ligament injuries in our sport. So come with me as I catch up with CEO Brett Nicholas to tell us more about Pod.
Good to see you down in Geelong.
I know, mate, I was down here, so I thought I'd stop in and see Pod, mate.
Yeah.
Not many people would know, but Pod Australia is one of the biggest and most well-known knee brace brands in the dirt bike industry, and it's Australian owned and operated.
We get that question all the time. You know, we obviously travel internationally. We've got 43 to 45 distributors, so we're selling products in about 55 to 60 countries. Had phenomenal growth. We're starting to diversify into medical, so we've got really good medical distribution. Since you've come down here, let's do a hot lap through the office and check out how we've grown. So as you come out of my office, we actually now enter the marketing area. We've got an inspiration board or wall here. A lot of people only think that we make knee braces as well. We actually have developed an ankle brace that we've launched in America with DonJoy Performance, one of the largest sports medicine companies in the world. So we are looking to actually launch the ankle brace, part of complete lower extremity protection. Employee number one at Pod in 2005 was our current marketing manager, Byron. So he's worn all the different hats from design, development, procurement, sourcing at factories. He's the composite expert now, but he's done a bit of everything. These days, his expertise is working with our global athletes, teams and events, and our distributors marketing as well. Then we've got Aaron, a graphic designer. So having in-house graphic design, and obviously Byron here, allows us to respond really quick in creating custom sales marketing assets for our distributors, and obviously helping us promote all our athletes, teams and braces. Here's a great representation of our current motocross braces. We've got our premium K8 Carbon 2.0 brace, a K4 2.0 brace. This is in the graphic from our limited edition AC9 Adam Cincerello US collaboration. And below as well, we like to actually show the braces with no impact protection. What makes Pod braces unique, you don't need tools to take the impact protection off so that you can use them for mountain biking, going to the gym, anytime you may require some protection for your knees. As we enter part of the development area in the office, a critical tool for validating the entire brace, the sum of all parts, is this surrogate limb. We developed it with the biomechanical engineering department at Deakin University. This machine and jig actually allows us to hyperextend a fake leg and also look at medial and lateral twisting. When you're riding a moto, as a lot of people would appreciate, you capture your leg and it wants to pull you off the bike. So with this, we can look at different material compositions, we can look at competitors' braces and work out what is the best sum of all parts to give you the best protection. Two of the engineers in here today at Pod that actually work with the biomechanical engineers and with this rig is Julian and Fraser. They're actually working on the 3.0 K8 and K4 braces that will launch in early 2022.